포트로드 출사 트윗 내 파란색 완성.
Yellow belt since 1997.
No! What's this now? You're not a vampire?
Blair?
Of course he's human. He's our son. You think we're monsters?
You let your daughter marry a human and have a human kid? Why don't you just put a stake through my heart?
We don't hate humans anymore, and they don't hate us.
Humans! Wow! You're a fool!
Your great-grandson is the sweetest, kindest, most special boy I've ever met. And if you can't give him the love he deserves because he's half human, then you're the fool.
Oh, Daddy.
Hey, where is Dennis? Dennis!
Dennis? Happy birthday, Dennis. I made you a treat. Pigeon? Enjoy it. Because once I graduate business school and start running the company, you're not going to get home-cooked meals like this anymore. I have to
Diamonds
move
pop
away
up.
to California.
Jacket and sweater.
Because I don't have hair on.
Nom nom spring.
Sorry, I'm not a monster.
Executive star.
And I
Television agent, are you there? Ruffed. You keys, Papa. 3 years is Rosalie. Bark. Sensuous, bro.
Out of this pot of soup.
Hi, Vice, twin sister. Are you? Bite to bites. Papa. Are you? Stitch's brother. Are you there? Scully Skirtle. Auntie teacher. Are you there? Carl's mom. Spare Lily's teacher. Are you there? Big red chickens. Are you there? Bees kids. Kinoi's meeting Kobe.
With monsters!
Miss Peppers, baby. Samson.
I'm gonna tear that human
Cody's mom.
friend!
Peter Rabbit's sister. Are you there? The S Sailors. Noah's danger.
What are you gonna do about it?
Jean's brother.
You know why?
Turbo's teacher. Are you there?
Just a week!
Arg! Keep killing a step. Turtwig's brother. Enemy star. Are you there? Vaughn's teacher.
What was that?
Dennis, we're coming. You okay, Winnie? Yes, my Zing. Here's his mean friend.
Oh, this'll be fun.
Oh, I have to use this instead.
I didn't do that.
You rock, Dennis. Here's the piece of it. Piggy rules.
Yep.
I knew all that practice would pay off. That's right. You better fly away.
Papa Jack, I'm a vampire and a superhero. Am I cool now?
Now, Dennis, you were always cool. Human, vampire, unicorn, you're perfect no matter what.
But since I'm a vampire, can we stay here? Yes.
Things going alright. Action.